Hey guys, welcome back to my part 2 of opening puppets video. Okay, I'm in fidget toys video. Look at this. As I last mentioned, this is like a color changing one. See, yellow. Too bright yellow. Oh, okay, my hands are super tired. So look at this. Can you guys see it? So many fidget toys. Wow. I wanna open this. Let's open this. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at this unicorn design. Oh, you guys hear that? Look at this rainbow bar. Look at this. I have to like put the ball in and oh, look at this little. Oh, look at the size. The heart-shaped design. Let's open up one of these. I don't know, you just question. Oh my god, look at this! There's like a little dinosaur in there. Oh, so cute! Oh, let's see what kind of dinosaur this is. Oh, it's stuck. Hey, buddy, you mind getting out of there? Oh shit, it's stuck. Oh, look at this gooey. Let's have the blue one. Oh, wait. Oh, I think so. Oh, this is a little dinosaur baby. And this last one. Oh, this is a green one. Okay, you guys see it? Please focus, camera. Thank you. Oh, it's like a little alien. Okay. Dun 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 dun! The moment we have been waiting for. I think this is a challenge board. Where it's like there's a big puppet and then you must pop it off. See who can win. It's okay, I don't think that's understand. Oh my god, yes it is! There's like 2 of them! Oh, they even got little dice. Oh my god, there's 2 of them. Look, there's 2 of them. Literally 2 of them. I like this squishy. So satisfying. Let's see. Which one should we open first? Let's open the rainbow one. Okay, I'm literally so happy right now. Okay. Oh, where's the other dice? Where's the other dice? Oh, there you go. Let's try. Throw the number. Okay, 3. 2, 3. No, look at these. Okay, I'm so happy right now. So let's make. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got 1 dinosaur ape, 2 dinosaur ape, 3 dinosaur ape. Look at this one. And where's the 4th one? Oh, there you go. And 4 dinosaur eggs, 4 of them. We have a pea pod, I think. Little pea keychain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 poppable toys. We have 2 of these. Don't forget the. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. 6 of these Dream Wonderland toys. A unicorn puppet. A butterfly puppet. A little octopus color change. Oh, don't forget this board game. Oh, so you guys can see. This Be Quick to Lick lizard tongue. And last but not least, this color changing ball, I guess. I'm gonna end the part 2 video here. Oh wait, don't forget. So I have this 1, 2. 2 of these puppets, I guess. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the part 2 video here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!